friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working in iPhone after update iOS 17 without waste your time. I start this video. Many users have facing their issue. AirDrop is not working in on iPhone after update iOS 17. Simply first you should check your AirDrop is turned on or not. Simply tap first. You should check your AirDrop is turned on or not. Simply tap on setting, tap on general, tap on AirDrop. You can see appears on screen receiving contents only everyone for 10 minutes. Okay, back and try again. If solution number 1 is not working, applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is not working, applying the solution number 2. Number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. Fix your problem after restart your iPhone. Your problem is fixed if solution number 2 is not working. Now applying solution number 3 is restart network. Tap on setting and tap on general. Tap on general, scroll up and tap on reset reset network setting. Enter, then click, then enter your passcode. Reset network setting to confirm this action and you fix for promote. After reset your network setting, your AirDrop problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check iOS update. Tap on setting and tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, you simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If are you using beta version, now upgrade or downgrade your iPhone 8 with the stable version, backup your data and upgrade your iPhone with iTunes, and downgrade your iPhone with iTunes and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, now reset your iPhone. All settings, tap on setting, tap on general, little back, call up, transfer or reset, and then click on reset all setting, then you enter a passcode and reset all setting to confirm this action and fix your problem. That's if after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. If video is helpful for you, please do not subscribe and do not forget my share the video and my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.